Welcome to Circuit Peek. Sick of messy cabins, dim commutes, and clumsy gear? I'm your curator, the filter between hype and upgrades that actually help. Tap subscribe, then click the description links to upgrade your car today. For smarter, safer, cleaner drives? Let's roll. Peek into what's next. Night drives feel flat? Govee Car Lights smart RGBIC Interior Car Lights deliver living color throughout your cabin. RGBIC shows multiple hues at once. Music sync dances with every beat for immersive ambience. DIY scenes in the app match colors from photos instantly, then save presets. Installation stays clean with a two-line layout covering all footwells neatly and discreetly. Low-profile strips hide. The glow remains vivid. Make commutes calm and road trips electric. Let Govee Car Lights become your on-demand mood controller. Need messages nobody misses? The double-row scrolling custom LED sign for car turns glass into a dynamic display. Ultra-bright beads, crisp 24:48 resolution, and Bluetooth control push text, countdowns, and animations cleanly. Timers and templates speed meetups, pickups, and seasonal themes without tools. Adjust speed, color, and effects precisely in seconds from your phone. Low power draw keeps things efficient, day or night. Keep directions clear and style unmistakable. Let the double-row scrolling custom LED sign handle attention safely. Still tethered by wires? The COMSOON AUX Bluetooth Adapter for car frees your stereo fast, without replacing head units. Bluetooth 5.3 locks stable audio. CVC noise reduction keeps calls clean in traffic. A bright LED screen shows battery and volume at a glance. Dual connection swaps sources smoothly between phone and tablet for music and maps. Clip, pair, and stream in minutes. Modernize daily drives effortlessly. Let the COMSOON AUX Bluetooth Adapter run your soundtrack. Coins and cards vanishing into seat gaps? The Shademax RGB color-changing LED car seat gap filler organizer restores order instantly. Pockets, a cup holder, and a soft 7-color glow help you find essentials at night without glare. Integrated USB ports keep navigation phones topped up on long drives. Press to install. Phone pads fine-tune fit for different consoles easily. Calm the cockpit and keep everything reachable. Make the Shademax RGB Seat Gap Filler Organizer your daily co-pilot. Parked all week? Batteries suffer quietly. The YONHAN Battery Charger 10-amp, 12-volt, and 24-volt maintains, charges, and repairs intelligently across vehicles. Temperature compensation adapts profiles for winter cold or summer heat automatically. A backlit LCD shows voltage, current, percentage, and mode clearly. Built-in protections cover reverse polarity, overcharge, and short circuits for safe, worry-free use. Repair pulses can help tired cells recover capacity for dependable starts. Stay start-ready everywhere. Put the YONHAN Battery Charger on guard duty. Check engine light on. The ANCEL 8310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner explains why fast. It reads codes, live data, freeze frames, and readiness in seconds. No batteries required because power comes from the port. A sturdy shell, clear screen, and labeled buttons survive real garage life easily. Broad protocol support spans many vehicles since 1996, domestic and foreign. Confirm repairs, clear codes, and verify status before inspection. Drive informed, with the ANCEL 8310 turning confusion into clarity. Snack wrappers multiplying again? The HOTOR Car Trash Can with lid and storage pockets ends the mess neatly. A leak-proof liner handles spills, while magnetic snaps secure bags for fast swaps. Side pockets stash wipes and tissues for quick cleanups. Strap to a headrest or console with the adjustable band. Collapsible sides save space when empty. Keep road trips tidy and weekday commutes calmer. Make cabins guest-ready every day with the HOTOR Car Trash Can taking charge. Midway pit stop. If this helped, tap like. Drop a comment with your favorite upgrades so far, and hit subscribe for more daily driver boosts. Links are in the description. Save them now for later installs. Sun-scorching interiors? The EcoNour patented design car windshield sunshade blocks heat and UV decisively for comfort. Overlapping panels ensure snug coverage on medium windshields, minimizing light leaks around edges. Premium 240T polyester pops open quickly and folds compactly into the pouch afterward. Protect dashboards, seats, and electronics from fade, warping, and stress. Start cooler, save AC, and arrive composed, even after long parking. Daily comfort jumps with the EcoNour windshield sunshade, guarding your cabin reliably. Want instant ambiance anywhere? The Hortsun 2-pack USB star projector nightlight paints constellations on cue for dramatic mood. Red and purple-blue beams turn headliners cinematic in seconds, transforming cabins into cozy lounges on road trips. Flexible goosenecks sculpt patterns precisely for photos, playlists, or quiet talks. Perfect for cars, bedrooms, tents, and parties. Just plug and twist the galaxy into place. Create memorable nights and playful vibes with the Hortsun USB star projector, following you everywhere. Eyes leaving the road too long? The SinoTrack digital GPS speedometer universal heads-up display centralizes key trip data safely. A large screen shows speed, direction, time, and mileage clearly. Auto brightness adapts instantly to sun or night conditions. Overspeed and fatigue alerts help manage pace and rest on long hauls comfortably. Setup is simple. Plug USB power, choose modes, and drive smarter within minutes. Focus forward with the SinoTrack GPS speedometer HUD, keeping attention exactly where it belongs. First impressions matter. The 2X custom logo LED projector car door step courtesy welcome lights personalize entries beautifully, without tools or wiring hassles. Magnetic sensors trigger graphics the moment doors open. Clean adhesive mounting protects paint and simplifies placement in minutes. Customize initials, icons, or art that matches your build theme precisely for cohesive styling that stands out. Swap slides later to evolve looks as your project grows. The custom logo LED door welcome lights make arrivals unforgettable every night. Baby on board? The Munchkin Brica Sun Safety Car Window Shade reduces glare and heat safely during bright drives. Safe View Premium Mesh preserves visibility while blocking UVA and UVB effectively. A white-hot heat alert turns white when interiors get too hot. Choose clips or suction cups for a secure universal fit across vehicles. One press retract stows cleanly. Calmer kids, safer trips, fewer distractions. Trust the Munchkin Brica Sun Safety Shade to protect passengers comfortably. Dust hiding in vents, switches, and seams? The TICARVE car cleaning gel detailing putty lifts debris gently from tight spaces where cloths fail. Press into crevices. Crumbs, lint, and hair pull away cleanly without residue on plastics or buttons. Reuse until the gel darkens, then replace the jar. Works on keyboards, remotes, and textured surfaces beyond the car for quick tidy-ups anytime you need. Keep interiors spotless with TICARVE car cleaning gel ready in your glove box for fast refreshes. Crumbs in seats and mats again? The BLACK+DECKER dustbuster reveal handheld vacuum cordless handles quick cleanups without hassle. An onboard LED reveals hidden debris, while a flip-up brush lifts upholstery and vents effectively. Washable dust bowl and filter reduce ongoing costs and maintenance. Dock on the charging base, then grab and go whenever messes appear between washes. Lightweight design moves from house to car easily. Stay guest-ready using the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster reveal for tidy interiors anytime. Drying without streaks is tough. The 2-pack 1200 GSM Car Drying Towels drink water fast and leave panels spotless. Edgeless double twist pile glides safely over paint and glass, preventing scratches and swirls. One towel can dry a full sedan with minimal passes, confidently. Machine wash, low heat dry, and reuse for months of reliable performance. Great on windows, chrome, and interior trim after detailing sessions. Finish flawlessly every wash with the 1200 GSM Car Drying Towels, preventing water spots. Before you go, a quick favor. Which gadget resonated most today? Tap subscribe, like, and drop a comment for the next deep dive. Click the description links to learn more. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Safe drives, smart upgrades. Peek into what's next.